Hey, what's up guys, I'm Balshank here back with another video, and this is PC Suggestion. It's a brand new series in which I suggest PC components according to your need. So if you also need to build a PC, please comment down below under what price bracket you are looking for and what's the primary need of your PC is, like editing rig, gaming, multimedia, or just for casual everyday use. So without any further ado, let's get this going. For this episode, I'm gonna suggest a PC for Sainath who needs a budget build under 35,000 Indian rupees with monitor. And my CPU of choice is Intel Core i3-6100 Skylake processor running at 3.7 GHz. It's a dual core CPU with Intel HD 530 graphics, and the price offer starts from rupees 8,200 in Amazon India. It's complemented by HyperX Performance 4GB DDR4 RAM. And for a graphics card, my choice is MSI's NVIDIA 750 Ti 2GB overclockable graphics card. 750 Ti is a great graphics card for its price, and it's enough to run quality games like GTA 5 in 1080p with a good frame rate. And it's overclockable, so you can push this thing into full limit. Again, Sai needs a build with a monitor, so NVIDIA GTX 750 Ti is good for its price bracket. But if you already have a TV or a monitor, you can upgrade your graphics card into GTX 750 for better performance. For hard drive, I picked up Western Digital Blue hard disk drive 1TB, running at 7200 RPM, which will help in slightly better read and write speed compared to a 540 RPM hard disk drive. And holding everything together is Gigabyte's Ep.1 micro ATX motherboard, which has Intel H110 chipset with LGL-M51 socket for Skylake CPUs. It also have a 2-window DDR4 RAM slot which can be expanded up to 32GB, running at 2133 MHz for SATA 6GB connectors, 2 USB 3.0 on back panel, and can be expanded 2 more via USB header and 2 USB 2.0 on the rear, and 4 port available through internal USB headers. For the PC case, I went with Teccom Professional mid-range cabinet which I found on Amazon. Not only it looks good for its price, but also comes with a 450 watt SMPS, which is sufficient in powering this build, and has a good 4-star rating on Amazon India. Last but not the least, the monitor of my choice is BenQ GW 2255 HM 21-inch Full HD monitor. Not only it's one of the best price to performance monitor you could buy, but it really gives the best output for the powerful PC build this is. And for running games at 1080p, this monitor should give you a immersive experience and fits our budget pretty good. And here are the pricing for the whole components. That gives us a grand total of 35,786 rupees, slightly better than our 35,000 mark. But depending on the seller options to your area, the price can be lower. And also, check the pricing on other online shopping sites. And please note, when buying on Amazon India, look for Fulfill logo near the price. And while on Flipkart, please buy product with the assured logo, especially when buying electronics or expensive item online. So that's it for now, and what do you think? Do let me know in the comment section below, and as it always is guys, thank you guys for watching, it means a lot to me. If you like this video, make sure to put us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.